Well, I'm happy to say that we survived our first true night of stealth camping. We parked at it was actually right outside the Gold Beach Airport, but it was really nice. Samantha was super nervous all night long, but it ended up being very, very quiet and actually a pretty pleasant experience. Right now, we're gonna do a little more research to figure out where we're headed today, but as you can see, I'm stopped on this pullout, and we're just chilling, but we are on the beach. Samantha's in there. There, Samantha can wave. We gotta get a shower somewhere today, like it's getting bad, and using our little sprayer in the back with the ice cold water just isn't cutting it anymore. So the goal for today is to figure out where we can get a shower.
So right now, we got in touch with one of our friends, John, who we've actually both known for a very long time. John is who introduced Eric and I originally, and he was the best man at our wedding. Anyways, he works up at a retreat called Brighton Bush, and we are going to plan to end our day there and spend the night with him and just see him. We haven't seen him in a really long time. We're about 5.5 hours away from him at this point, so we're just going to drive up right now to Coos Bay and then start cutting inland. And when we cut in inland, we're gonna plan to stop at a few different hot springs as well. Traveling cross country, and what it is anytime we see an animal, we have to try to make the sound that the animal makes. For example, we just passed by some sheep. Eric, do your sheep impression. And then my sheep impression is and
how about that baby turkey? Yeah, do the baby turkey.
And the babies have to sound like babies.
Accurate.
You can't try to do an adult sound and then to say it's the baby. Oh gosh, a baby turkey is hard. What would a baby turkey? I'm trying to do the gobble. It almost sounds like my baby sheep. I think it would be the same song.
Or what do you do if you see roadkill? What do you do if you see roadkill?
You do nothing. You just cry and be sad when you see roadkill. I just saw 2 sheep back there. You didn't see them?
I saw them there.
I beat you. 1 point for me.
So check this out. We are behind a helicopter on the road. It's crazy.
We just saw a ton of elk, but of course our camera wasn't out. I barely got it out, and whatever mode it was in, I just started taking some pictures, so it wasn't actually on video. We've seen elk before, but every time we see it, it's always really impressive.
So check out this place we just found. This place right here near Blue Lake Reservoir is amazing. Here, just check this out. This is like really nice. Not gonna lie, kind of wish that we were staying here tonight. There's the van. It's a nice and flat area. There's a fire pit over here, and I hear it's either wind or water, but something down this way. We'll go check it out. Samantha's exploring that way. I see Samantha this way. Just watch your footing, it's a little slippery. Oh yeah. That right there is some clear water.
just finished getting a beer with our friend John. We met up with him in
Detroit?
Detroit,
Lakes,
Oregon. And we're headed right now up to Brighton Bush, where he works and lives. And we're gonna be spending the night up there. We have no service up here. We got some spotty service, and our family's like, we haven't heard from you for a while. So we have our handy, what is it called?
Spot tracker.
Spot tracker. And we're able to send them a message that we're okay.
All right, we made it to Brighton Bush. There's John in the background, and Samantha. Where are we going right now, John?
We're headed to Stonehenge, which is my cabin.
All right, Stonehenge cabin, here we go. What the heck are we looking at?
This is it's a 2,000-foot geothermal well that returns water about 150 gallons a minute at about 180 degrees. And it had some issues recently, so we had to dig it out and dig down and see that red line there.
Mm-hmm.
We had to, some of the steel was rotting, and so it's super dangerous. We had to jam a plunger or a stopper down there, and then cut the steel tube, and then weld on a new piece on top of it while not scalding anyone to death.
I think I can feel the heat. I might be imagining it.
No, you absolutely.
Like, I feel warmth coming
you
from this
can.
hole in the ground.
There's a massive amount of BTUs in there.
Crazy. Still at Brighton Bush, had the full tour, did a little soaking, chatted with John for a couple hours, I feel like, but now we're done. We're calling it for a night. We will report back in tomorrow morning.